I want to slow dance with you late at night outdoors, so the moon can be a witness and see that you light up my world more than it does. Are you coronavirus? Because when I'm with you, you definitely take my breath away. I look into your eyes and I'm certain that God sees and hears me whenever I pray. They say love is blind, and that is correct, because I see nobody else that can take your place. You make me feel like my exes are all herdsmen and you're from heaven, because the sight of you just took me from grass to grace. Yes, there are plenty of fishes in the sea. There are plenty of fishes in the ocean, but not only you, they make my body, they shark me. I saved your number. I saved your number as electric eel, because each time you swim for my arms, you they make my body, they shock me. Let us go ahead and buy 1,000 houses. Your arms is the only place that I'll still love to live. The apple of my eyes, with whom I want to enjoy the fruit of my labor. None other qualified to be my Eve. Cause the first time I saw you, I shouted, yeah, you. Walking with you has made me twice as tall. Now only you get that fire where feet burn a boy. Maybe now why I always get this burning desire to always one day call. And like these lines I did hear they speak. Baby girl, please pick up. One of my friends asked me where you come from. My only answer, and I say, bro, look up. See, I've never been to heaven, but I have an idea of what it looks like, because I've looked into your eyes. I've looked long enough to know that angels go everywhere with a touch of heaven. Perhaps that is why my life has become paradise. See, if you were to be a part of the solar system, you will definitely be the sun, because you effortlessly multitask between being super hot and lighting up my world. See, I just finished reading the creation story, so I'm here to say let there be us. Pardon me, I'm just taking a cue from God, because in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. I want to create eternity with you, because only you fit bring heaven to my earth. See, let us go ahead and get married. Because if love not cool, then I'm headed straight for the crèche. And I'm headed straight for the crèche because I want to put a baby in you. One that would look like an artwork made by God if he decided to be an artist, because he or she would look exactly like you. You see, our love will be just like paintball. The more we shoot our shots, the more colorful it becomes. You're constantly blowing my mind. Each thought of you comes with a detonating time bomb. You see, let us take all the stars in the sky and lock them up together in the same room. They still won't be able to shine as bright as you. Yes, I want you to nickname me letter T, because I want to be very close to you. Nobody else qualifies to be a V, because there can never be a double U. And I'm sure my ex is wondering why I started putting her last like Z ever since I met you. Yes, you, my best friend. So much so that you qualify to be the bride and the best man at the same time. My life became this sweet when you came in and spiced it up. Baby girl, are you time? So you better take your time, because it be like say you be natural zoologist, because of the way you put butterflies in my stomach and tame the lions on the inside. Forward ever, backward never. Come be like say you be bread, because of the way I come here come they toast you. See, I want to slow dance with you late at night outdoors, so the moon can be a witness and see that you light up my world more than it does. Are you coronavirus? Because each time I'm with you, you definitely take my breath away.